Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at home and at a food store. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two people, Ken and Lily, and the store staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why does Lily cry in the kitchen? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
It is Friday. Do you want to eat out again tonight?
We ate out every night this week. I am a little tired of it.
Me too. Why don't we cook at home tonight?
Yes, let's do that. What can we make?
How about chicken pasta? It is easy and we both like it.
Perfect. Do we have the ingredients for it?
Let me look. We always have pasta here. It stays good for a long time.
That is true. We keep a big box of it on the kitchen shelf.
The recipe is simple. Pasta, chicken, tomatoes, onions, and garlic.
So we have the pasta. What are we missing?
We have no chicken and we have no tomatoes. We need to buy them.
We have onions and garlic, right?
Yes, they are here in the box. So we only need 2 things.
Good, but I have one small problem with onions.
What is the problem?
I am not good at cutting onions. I always cry when I cut them.
Every time?
Every single time. My eyes get wet and I can't see.
Don't worry. I can help you with the onions later.
Thank you. So let's go to the store now.
Good idea. The store near us is still open.
Great. Let's each get one thing to save time. I will get the chicken.
And I will get the tomatoes. Let's meet at the front door.
Great plan. Grab your bag and let's go.
I have my bag. Do you have the money?
Yes, it's in my pocket. Let's walk fast.
The store is only 5 minutes away. That is close.
I know. That is why we shop there so often.
I love cooking at home. It feels warm and calm.
And it's nicer than a busy restaurant on a Friday.
Very true. Let's go and get our ingredients. Excuse me, can you help me pick good tomatoes?
Of course. What are you making tonight?
My partner and I are making chicken pasta at home.
That sounds lovely. For pasta, you want soft red tomatoes.
How do I know if a tomato is ready to eat?
A good one is red and a little soft. Press it very softly.
Like this. This one feels soft.
Yes, that is a good one. Not too hard, not too soft.
What about this green one over here?
That one is not ready yet. Green tomatoes need more time.
I see. So red and a little soft is best.
Right, and smell it too. When it is ready, it smells sweet.
Oh, this one smells really nice.
Perfect. That will taste great in your sauce.
How many should I buy for 2 people?
4 or 5 is enough for a small pasta sauce.
Okay, I will take 5 of these red ones.
Good choice. Here's something fun to know.
What is it?
A tomato is really a fruit, not a vegetable. It has seeds inside.
Really? I always thought it was a vegetable.
Many people do, but because of the seeds, it is a fruit.
That is interesting. I will tell my partner that.
She'll be surprised too. Do you need anything else?
No, just the tomatoes. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dinner tonight.
We will. Cooking at home is cheaper and more fun.
I agree, and you always know what's in your food.
That is a good point, and these tomatoes are not expensive either.
They are. Buying and cooking at home saves a lot of money.
One more question. Should I wash the tomatoes before I cut them?
Yes, always. Wash them well under cold water first.
Got it. Thank you for all the good tips.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
You too. Take care.
Hi, I am looking for some chicken for dinner.
Sure, we have fresh chicken right here. How much do you need?
Just for 2 people. We are making chicken pasta tonight.
Then a small pack is best. This one is a good size for 2.
That looks perfect. Is this chicken fresh?
Yes, it came in this morning. Let me show you how to check.
Please do, I want to learn.
Fresh chicken feels cold and does not have a strong smell.
So, if it smells bad, it is not fresh?
Right. Good chicken smells very light, almost like nothing.
This pack feels nice and cold, and it smells fine.
That means it is fresh. It will be great in your pasta.
Wonderful. Should I cook it soon?
Yes, cook it today or tomorrow. Keep it cold until then.
I will cook it tonight, so that is easy.
Perfect. Chicken is a nice choice for pasta.
My partner loves chicken. He picked the recipe.
Good choice by him. Here's a fun fact for you.
I love fun facts. Tell me.
Chicken is the most popular meat in many countries.
Why is that?
It is cheap and easy to cook. Now people eat more chicken than beef.
More than beef? That is surprising.
Yes, many people around the world pick chicken first.
That makes sense. We cook it a lot at home.
Then you already know. Do you need anything else?
One more thing. How do I cook the chicken for pasta?
Cut it into small pieces and cook it in a hot pan.
How do I know when it is done?
When there is no pink inside, it is ready to eat.
That is helpful. I always worry about that part.
Just cut a piece and look. When it is white inside, it is done.
Thank you. Now I feel ready to cook.
You will do great. Enjoy your dinner tonight.
I will meet my partner at the door now.
Have a great evening.
You too. Bye.
We are home. Let's start cooking. Did you get the chicken?
Yes, a nice fresh pack. And you got the tomatoes?
5 red ones. The store lady helped me pick them.
Great. Where do we start?
First, let's cut the onions and garlic. We need to chop them small.
Oh no, here comes my onion problem.
Just take your time. Chop slowly and carefully.
Okay, I am cutting the onion now.
Good. Small pieces are best for the sauce.
Ken, my eyes. See, I'm crying again.
I told you, the onion is doing its job.
Why does this always happen? It is so strange.
When you chop an onion, it lets a little gas into the air.
A gas from an onion?
Yes, that gas goes into your eyes, and your eyes make water.
So the onion is the reason I cry, not me.
Right. It is not sad tears. It is just the onion gas.
That makes me feel better, but my eyes still hurt.
Here's a good tip for next time.
Tell me, please.
Next time, put the onion in the fridge first. Keep it cold.
Does that really help?
Yes, a cold onion makes you cry less. The gas comes out slowly.
That is a great tip. I will do that next time.
For now, let me finish the onions. You can chop the garlic.
Deal. The garlic does not make me cry, so that's easy.
Good. Now we have all our ingredients ready.
The onion smell is on my hands now.
That happens. Wash your hands with cold water.
There, much better. My eyes feel okay now too.
Good. Cutting was the hard part. The rest is easy.
Great teamwork. This is already fun. Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? let's begin. The first word is recipe, meaning a plan that tells you how to cook food. For example, I follow the recipe to make pasta. The second word is ingredients, meaning the foods you need to make a dish. For example, tomatoes and chicken are the ingredients. The third word is chop, meaning to cut food into small pieces. For example, I chop the onion for the sauce. The fourth word is boil, meaning to heat water until it bubbles. For example, we boil the pasta in hot water. The fifth word is taste, meaning to try a little food to check it. For example, I taste the sauce before dinner. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now let's go back to Ken and Lily in their kitchen.
Now let's cook the pasta. I will fill this pot with water.
How much water do we need?
A lot. Pasta needs a lot of water to boil in.
Okay, I will turn on the stove for you.
Thank you. Now we wait for the water to boil.
How long does it take to boil?
A few minutes. We will see small bubbles first, then big ones.
Look, small bubbles are starting already.
Good. When it boils fast, I will add the salt.
Salt? Why do you put salt in the water?
Salt in the water makes the pasta taste better.
I did not know that. When do you add it?
I add it after the water boils, not before.
Why after and not before?
It just works better that way. The water is very hot then.
Now the water is boiling fast, big bubbles everywhere.
Perfect timing. Here goes the salt. Now the pasta.
It smells so good already.
Let's start the sauce too. I will heat this pan.
I will put the pan on the other side of the stove.
Great. First the garlic, then the tomatoes in chicken.
The kitchen smells wonderful. I am getting hungry.
Me too. Cooking together is the best part of Friday.
I agree. It is nice to slow down after a long week.
Stir the pasta so it does not stick to the pot.
Doing it now. This is so much fun.
The pasta needs about 10 minutes to cook.
How do we know when the pasta is ready?
We taste one piece. It should be soft, but not too soft.
I will watch the clock while you make the sauce.
We make a good team in the kitchen. The sauce is almost ready. Let's taste it.
Good idea. Give me a spoon.
Here you go. Try a little bit.
It is good, but it needs something.
Let me taste it too. You are right. It is a little weak.
What should we add?
Just a little salt and some pepper, a little at a time.
Okay, I will add a little bit of salt.
Good. Not too much. We can always add more later.
Now taste it again. Better?
Yes, much better, but maybe a tiny bit more pepper.
Here, I will add just a little.
Perfect. Taste it one more time.
That is really good now. The chicken tastes great too.
See? Good cooks taste the food many times.
Really? Even good cooks?
Yes. Add a little, then taste again. That is the secret.
So you keep tasting until it is just right?
Right. Small changes, one at a time.
Never add too much at once.
That is a smart way to cook. I will remember that.
You're learning fast. This sauce is perfect now.
Can I taste the pasta too? Is it soft enough?
Try one piece. Careful, it's hot.
It is soft, but not too soft. It's just right.
Then it is done. Good timing for both of us.
I'm so proud of us. We made this together.
The pasta is ready too. Let me mix it with the sauce.
It looks amazing, just like a restaurant plate.
Maybe even better, and it cost much less.
Let's put it on 2 plates and sit down.
Yes, our dinner is finally ready to eat.
I can't wait to try it.
Here we are. 2 plates of hot chicken pasta.
It looks so good. Let's eat.
Wait, let me sit down first. Okay, go ahead.
This is so good. We made it together.
I know. It tastes even better because we cooked it ourselves.
The tomatoes are sweet and the chicken is soft.
The store people gave us good tips. That helped a lot.
They did. And we learned so many things tonight.
We did. This is why I love cooking at home.
Tell me, why do you like it so much?
Eating out is nice, but cooking at home is cheaper.
That is true. Restaurants can be expensive.
And I like our quiet dinners together, just the 2 of us.
Me too. It feels calm and warm, like tonight.
No noise, no waiting, just good food and good company.
I feel the same way. This is a perfect Friday night.
We should cook at home more often.
Yes, let's do this every Friday.
I would love that. What should we make next week?
Maybe soup, but you have to help me with the onions again.
Of course. Cold onions next time, remember?
Oh, right. And now I know why I cry in the kitchen.
Tell me, why do you cry?
It's just the onions. It was never me being sad.
Exactly. Now you know the secret.
Best dinner in a long time. Thank you, Ken.
Thank you, too. Next time you can teach me something.
Maybe how to cut onions without crying.
You will be the onion teacher then.
Deal. But for now, let's just eat and relax.
Let's enjoy every bite.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why does Lily cry in the kitchen? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!